This video serves as a comprehensive beginner's guide to making money online, delving into the fundamental concepts and strategies essential for generating income through various online channels. Viewers will gain insights into the diverse avenues available for making money online, including freelance work, online businesses, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. The narration will cover the crucial steps involved in setting up an online presence, such as creating a website, establishing social media profiles, and building a personal brand to attract income opportunities. Additionally, the video will discuss beginner-friendly monetization strategies such as advertising, sponsored content, and leveraging skills to initiate online earnings. It will emphasize the identification and avoidance of common pitfalls and scams, empowering beginners to take the initial steps towards financial independence through online endeavors. This segment delves into the diverse avenues available for making money online, providing a detailed exploration of various income streams. Viewers will gain insights into freelance work, online businesses, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, among other potential avenues. The narration aims to assist beginners in identifying the most suitable path for their skills and interests, offering a broad understanding of the different options available for generating income online. By highlighting the characteristics and requirements of each income stream, the video aims to empower individuals to make informed decisions about the online money-making opportunities that align with their strengths and goals. This section provides essential insights into establishing a compelling online presence, focusing on key steps such as creating a website, setting up impactful social media profiles, and constructing a distinctive personal brand to attract potential income opportunities. Viewers will gain valuable guidance on the process of building a professional and engaging website, optimizing it for visibility and user interaction. Additionally, the narration will emphasize the strategic approach to setting up and managing social media profiles to expand reach and engagement. By highlighting the importance of a strong personal brand, the video aims to empower individuals to effectively showcase their skills and expertise, maximizing their potential to attract income opportunities in the online domain. This segment delves into beginner-friendly monetization strategies, offering valuable insights into various approaches for earning online. The narration will focus on advertising, sponsored content, and freelance services as accessible avenues for beginners to initiate their online earning journey. Additionally, viewers will receive guidance on leveraging their skills and expertise to capitalize on online income opportunities. The video aims to empower beginners by providing practical advice on initiating and optimizing these monetization strategies, equipping them to kickstart their online earning endeavors with confidence and clarity. This section provides crucial guidance on identifying and navigating common pitfalls and scams that beginners may encounter in their pursuit of making money online. Viewers will gain insightful tips and strategies to recognize potential risks and fraudulent schemes, empowering them to make informed decisions and safeguard themselves from online scams. The narration will cover key warning signs and red flags to watch out for, ensuring that beginners are equipped with the knowledge and awareness to protect themselves from deceptive practices and fraudulent opportunities in the online money-making space. In this segment, viewers will receive practical and actionable steps to kickstart their online money-making journey. The narration will provide empowering tips for beginners, guiding them to take the initial steps towards financial independence through online endeavors. By offering actionable insights and clear guidance, the video aims to motivate individuals to overcome hesitation and uncertainty, equipping them with the confidence and knowledge needed to embark on their online earning journey. Viewers will be empowered to initiate their online ventures with a sense of purpose and direction, setting the stage for a successful start to their online money-making endeavors.